Guys, I'm here in an undisclosed location minding my own business when I get a message from my friend. And it says that right there are a dozen Lamborghinis waiting for me. Nah, they are not waiting for me, but they are taking some pictures. And he mentioned a Gallardo, a Murcielago, I don't remember, a Countach 25th anniversary, a Miura SV, and I can't remember them all, but hey, that's more than 70 kilometers in that direction, so let's go. Let's go! Okay, now we're talking. So, performante. Oh yeah, Miura SV 400 GT, Jalpa, Countach 25th, Aventador Ultimae, Murci, wow, Gallardo, oh yeah, Urus S, I think, and Tecnica, another performante. Boy oh boy, that's huge and very bright. Not bad at all, guys. What a lineup. So, where do we begin, guys? Wow, nice interior. This color under the sun. Wow, beautiful. 10 out of 10. So, green performante. I've seen many of these. This is the blue Tecnica we've seen many times before. And yeah, always a nice sight, right? Then a first gen, I think it's a first gen, right? First gen Gallardo, not a manual one, but it's okay. Yeah, first gen for sure. Then we have the lift on on this very beautiful Murcielago Versace, so limited edition. Wow. Now take a look at the interior. Pretty cool, right? Then let's go with this Aventador Ultimae Roadster, I guess. Yes, it's the Roadster. Very nice spec with the bronze wheels. Awesome. But I mean, guys, it's very hard choice between these two, right? But I will choose the Murcielago. And hey, oh, they are coming back. Wow. Check out the 25th anniversary, guys. Awesome. What a car. Alright, there it is. Check it out, guys. 25th badge here. Very nice. Just a quick look at the interior. And here, the good old Lamborghinis. Jalpa, 25th, 400 GT, and yeah, Miura SV, guys. This is a really nice yellow. Jalpa 3.5, super. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. Oh, check out the interior. Blue with red stitching. Super cool. Here is the 400 GT we've seen a lot of times in the past weeks. Nice to see again. And wow, this Miura SV. Beautiful. Now I was thinking something, guys. What if I go somewhere else to get some clips of the cars on the road? What a beauty, guys. Diablo 6.0 SE. Oh yeah, di Murcielago. "12 cylinders, baby." And of course, these ones. This is not the most beautiful Lamborghini ever. I mean, yeah, apart from the Murcielago SV. Okay, I must admit it was a very pleasant event. We've seen many beautiful cars, and yeah, I mean, you already know the Murcielago was my favorite one. Oh yeah, I also definitely need to thank Lamborghini for letting me stay at the event and film the cars, and last but not least, all the Lamborghini employees that I met at the event. They were very nice and friendly, so big up for them! And with this beautiful Italian landscape, see you in the next video.